this video we are going to learn about adding keyframes to text in CapCut using Windows PC or MacBook. So here is a video. I say Pro Thick, and in this section you can go to choose some colors for your text and styles as well, and the font size too. Here I have a font and I can blend it or do something like that. If you want to blend, you can also blend. I will show you how to do this one. At this place I give my first keyframe to this text, and that is, you go to this position and here scale a small diamond, and you see it appear here, as you can see, a small diamond button. And now I just want to make it like bigger, and the second keyframe has already been added, and now here I just want it more and more. All right, so at this position I just want to rotate it here, and at this position once again here like this, and here rotate all the way down, and very close distance I just want to decrease the size, and here I can move it that place and disappear and out of the frame, right? So at this place I can once again bring that text in the, where is the text? This is the text, so I just bring it in, right? And here I can reduce the size, and here I just want my video back. Alright, so this is one way to do the keyframing for the text, and you can also add, for example, I have some sounds here and royalty free sound effects, and there is a whoosh sound I can drag to the CapCut here, media, and now I drag that sound here, boom, here is the sound, and you see here it appears. Done. If you want to change the blending option as I did before, this is right here, right? I just want to make it bigger to show you the blending option so that you can use it as a logo in your videos. So I just split this part here, click on the text here at this place and split the text, and now I want this text to be blended, and what I can do, just go to blend option and make it smaller, and you can change the color as well, as it's red and now it's yellow, and spacing, you can also check the spacing and left, right, whatsoever it is, and scale and position. So in the blending section I can decrease the opacity and place it here and make it smaller. As you can see, it is here, and now I can go to the positioning again, and here I give another, and like this one. Now if I play, cool, that appears like a logo now. So you can do the blending as well, and in the meantime you can do keyframing for the text. I hope you liked the video. If you like, thumbs up and subscribe, guys. Why don't you subscribe? Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.